God's mission to reach the world is unpredictable and unstoppable. In the Indian Ocean, the work started in September 1914 in Mauritius. At that time, 25 souls were baptized by Pastor Paul Badeau, the first missionary who worked in the Indian Ocean. In July 1916, the first church was inaugurated, and this was in Rose Hill. 10 years after, in 1926, the Seventh-day Adventist message reached the land of Madagascar, the giant island. The first church, Manzakarai, was inaugurated, and a worship service was officially held on the 27th of August 1927. Some weeks later, on the 9th of October 1927, first baptismal service was held in the new church. The headquarters was at that time at Ambuzatuvu. Besides these churches in Antananarivo, other activities were undertaken, such as the print house and schools. In 1934, the first Seventh-day Adventist school opened its doors in Ankadifuti, Antananarivo. This school was among the best in Antananarivo. It provided primary, secondary, and vocational education. At that time, each year, the school of Ankadifuti received 700 students from all over the country. In 1937, a big plot of land was bought at Somananjarni, where schools were built. Students from Mauritius, La Réunion, and Seychelles came to Madagascar to receive pastoral training. Today, we have the Central Malagasy Conference and the Union headquarters on this plot of land. God still has many great things to fulfill in the Indian Ocean Union in the future. Nowadays, things have changed. The Indian Ocean Union has become a union conference. We have thousands of churches and companies, hundreds of schools, one university, a printing house, and many clinics and hospitals. God is in control of the mission in the Indian Ocean, as the mission is the heart of God.